Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Sky. You know, we already back with it, another video. As I already told y'all last video that I was gonna do the curls. You know, I'm gonna curl it up, eat like them good behind ramen noodles, like, and just, So, yup, let's get straight to it. Hey! Alright, y'all already know what's going on. So, I'm still rocking this good behind fro. It's time to put in these curls, baby. It's time. I need to go ahead and wash my hair too. That good old Cantu, baby. Cantu. Can't go wrong. Cantu shampoo. Ooh. Must need, alright? I prefer to use the hydration conditioner. Yes, cream conditioner. Now this is the one that you use in the shower. You do not leave this in your hair. Alright, next. So we got this good old hair taming tangle free, to where basically my hair wouldn't basically, you know, get tangled. Also taming frizz, which I really don't have frizz, but you know, it comes and goes. Okay, next we have this good old taming conditioner leave-in. You know, while I was actually in the store getting this stuff, I put some on my hair and I was like, oh my god, like, and it was just, it was shiny. It's like, I put Eco on my hair with no buildup. Whew, that was amazing. I'm gonna put all this stuff, these products in my hair. Yeah, that way. Alright, I just got a shower, and the first thing we're gonna do is just go ahead, well, since I wetted my hair up a little bit, go ahead and put this Cantu shampoo up in there, baby. Y'all know what we're doing. So what you do, when you put it in there, what you wanna do is just lather it on up. Make sure it gets on good. Make sure you get your scalp too, because when you want curls and when you have curls, you don't want it to really like have buildup. You don't want your hair to show or produce buildups. Get it all the way into your root. You want it to hit your roots, especially when it comes to that type of shampoo. Just rinse this all out. Make sure you have scratched your hair, you scrubbed it in good, because some of y'all got dandruff, and you know, it just comes and goes for most of y'all. Those y'all that don't, bless be the guy with y'all. So yeah, just go ahead and wash this out. One other thing, you don't want to have the water hot, because hot water can damage your hair and will like basically prevent like hair growth. Now that your hair is all clean, you basically just want to leave your hair still wet and then move on to your hydration cream by Cantu. So we're gonna go ahead and put this stuff in. It really doesn't take a lot. So all we're gonna do is just rub the stuff in, put it in your hair. Now this one, like I said, does not sit in your hair. You wanna get it in there and basically get it out. As you can see, my hair is curling up a little bit. Cantu is a really good product too. Like, if y'all could just, you know, go ahead and sponsor me, because Cantu, come on. So get all through your hair, back, front, sides. You already know the ordeal. If you know how to wash your hair, you know. Then you want to go ahead and wash this out too. Next, we're gonna move on to this taming tangle stuff. This is my first time using it. Actually, no, it's not. That's a lie. It's my second time using it. Actually, the first time it did pretty good on my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting them curls in. But what's really, they told me was really gonna make it pop and make it separate and stuff like that, is this other stuff, Taming Tangle leave-in conditioner. Now this is the one that you leave in your hair for like, I have no idea. You just leave it in your hair, I know that. This one is supposed to unlock your tangles and stuff like that, to where your curls are going to be separated, you know, have that diversity of like, you know, you want to get that noodle effect, like I said. So this is also good for taming frizz. So, you know, frizz control for you ladies out there that have problems with your hair and it's frizzy. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and put this stuff in your hair. Also, don't forget to add me on Snapchat and follow me on Instagram. Right here. You can see it right. Okay, yeah. Right here. All right, it's gonna get a little bit like that. It's gonna put the stuff in your hair. It smells really good too. It smells like apples, apple pie, anything apple consistency. And also, I'll be honest, for this hair product, it really does foam up well when it comes to putting it in your hair and stuff like that. And since we're this supposedly is the detangle and stuff like that, it's real good for that, like I said. As you can see, my hair a little bit is well, you can see for yourself, it's curling up a little bit, getting that effect to it. Yeah, you just want to go ahead and get it in there. And when you're in the shower and the water is running on your hair, make sure you just like, you know, go ahead and separate it a little bit, cause so you won't have to, so it won't be so jumbled up and stuff like that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, now go ahead and just wash it out. So as you can see with my hair, it's a little bit especially right here. Oof. You can see the curling process already coming through. The curls are coming in. Oof. It's coming in good. Real nice, real nice. And it's also real soft. It's supposed to really make your hair soft. So like I said, it's supposed to really just help with the curling of the hair. It really makes it real soft, real nice on it. Made me look good, honestly. Nah, but for real though, I really like it. I like it a lot. Let's move on to this next one, the leave-in conditioner. All right. So since my hair is like just in a sense in this curl state, I want it to like loosen up a little bit. So what I'm going to do, like I said, is put in this leave-in conditioner, my Tame Tangle. It helps with like kinky hair, also like the curly wave, which is I think the one I'm trying to go with. So let's go ahead and put this stuff in our hair. Let's watch that process go through. All right, so as you can see, the curl pattern is there. It's coming in. This one I think has more curls than the other side. One, because my hair is weird, okay? My hair is weird. It's naturally curly, but it's something about my hair that's one side thick, the other side's thin. So like one side might look a little darker, the other side might look a little lighter. Shake it up a little bit, leave it like that. As you can see, I got my natural curls coming through. Now it's like I said, it's real soft in my hair. It's real gentle. It's like Charmin Ultra Soft Gentle. This is on and popping, like for real. Like look at these curls, just ooh. Now, like I said, you might want to shake your head a little bit, left, right, up, down, side. If you can do that side, yeah. Just get that little effect going on. Like I said, bro, them curls are on and popping. Just wow. And you're done. You are done done, son. Just wow. Just oof, no frizz at all. Hair, no tangles. Just see how natural that is. Just wow. And it just falls too. Now I probably need to put some more, redo my hair, put like the color effect, but other than that, curls on and popping, like I said. So yeah guys, this is definitely in the move for the next couple of days, probably a couple of weeks. Next video, I don't really know what I'm gonna do, so it might be a Q&A if I get to that level. You know, if y'all send in comments. So yeah, you know, I want to do a Q&A. Ask me questions, anything. It don't matter. I'll ask the dumbest, smartest. It don't matter. Ask me the questions, all right? It did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my stuff. Okay? Tell your friends too. Share it, everything. Repost, retweet. It don't matter. Anyways, guys, it's your boy Sky here. And I am out. Peace.